Hey, welcome to Biz Talk with Mike. Today we're talking about M1 Finance. What is M1 Finance? M1 Finance is a brokerage company for stocks that charges absolutely no fees. And so this sounds a little bit unbelievable, but it's actually true. So I opened up an account with M1 a few days ago. The minimum deposit is $100. So if you're somebody that doesn't have a lot of money to get going into investments, there's no more excuses now. You take $100. You're going to ACH it into M1 Finance. They automatically debit it from your checking account. And you can buy securities with that. Major stocks like Apple, Amazon, or, they don't have over-the-counter stocks. They don't have penny stocks. But they do have normal business stocks that everybody wants and good paying dividend stocks. Most of all the NASDAQ and New York Stock Exchange companies are on there. They also have some mutual funds, I do believe. What it's not for is, day trading. If you're a short-term trader, you're day trading, M1 Finance is not for this. It's more likely for long-term investing to build a portfolio. And so it's automated. The money can be debited from your checking account. It goes right to them. You can adjust your portfolio. You can. What's really awesome about M1 Finance is you can buy fractional shares in a company. So if you don't have $200 a share for Apple, you can practically buy $10 worth of one share of Apple, and you can slowly build a portfolio going forward. You can buy dividend-paying stocks. It's really cool. And so I would highly recommend M1 Finance for someone that's even an intermediate or experienced investor. If you're sick of paying brokerage fees, I used to pay like $6.95 every time I wanted to make a trade at TD Ameritrade for my long-term portfolio. If I wanted to buy 4 or 5 stocks that month, my fees could range anywhere from $15 to $30 to upwards of $50. Now, it may not be a lot of money, but an extra $50 in some of the companies I was buying in, or I'm still buying in, I can buy an extra 2 or 3 shares a month. So M1 Finance allows me to invest now without those fees. What's the catch? Well, let me tell you the catch. They want you to buy stocks on margin. They want you to borrow capital from them at a certain interest rate, which I don't know that yet because I haven't tried it, what their rates are, but that's where they make up the rest of their money. So they want to lend you money, and that's where they make their make up for this. So that's the only catch. Other than that, it truly is free. I've done it. I'm living proof, and I'm telling you, M1 Finance allowed me to buy several shares of one company for absolutely free. It automatically invests my cash every month. I can shut off the auto invest if I want to and just put cash in there until I'm ready. But it will automatically buy shares immediately when money goes into the account. The next market day, the next opening at 9:30, it will buy the shares for you. And you can build yourself a nice little long-term portfolio and not even think about it. Especially if you're someone like me, sometimes I don't think about, I have to go and make a deposit now to my brokerage account and buy more stock. Sometimes I miss a few days and I remember, I'm like, it's mid-January, it's mid-December, like this month. I got to make an investment. I forgot to put my money into stocks. So it's a great way to save, to do it totally automated. So again, any questions or concerns, leave them at the bottom. I'll be happy to answer them for you. But this is just a review on M1 Finance. And good luck with your investing, and have a great day.